Alright, I started working on this in daytime and now it's nighttime, so I'm gonna have to do the video right now. But I've been trying to take this alternator off and I've been having trouble trying to get to the back battery terminal. I took off with a 12mm combination wrench. It's easier to take it off with this than a socket because you're in a tight space. It's really hard to get to that alternator if you have big hands. I have small hands. Alright, so how I take this alternator off and try to make it the nighttime thing. Alright. So your alternator is sitting on top of this right here. It's sitting in there and you have a bolt in there with a square head that goes in the back, and it's hard to see. You can see that arm back there. If you try to take that bolt off, it's going to hit the arm. So what you have to do is you have to lift the alternator upwards and off, and it's going to take a while trying to wiggle it out of there, and it save you a lot of time from doing that. If your alternator is bad, what you want to do is alright, sorry about that. What you want to do is you want to get this, you want to get a hammer, and then you want to start to hit this part right here. You want to hit that with the hammer, the front part, a couple times, and then you'll start hitting upwards. It'll literally come out in like 30 seconds. Just hit it upwards, and you want to be careful not to hit your boot, your CV. And so and then it'll literally just pop right off in like 30 seconds. You'll get this done in 30 minutes. You won't have to spend too much time like I did. All right.